If these are our critical regions, with the probability in each region 0.025 to make a total alpha level of 0.05, and remember this is the t-distribution, then this t-value here is negative 2.042, and this t-value is positive 2.042. 2.58 falls above 2.042. And if we had gone the opposite direction, negative 2.58 falls below negative 2.042. Therefore, we'll reject the null. It appears that mail prices in Wilma and Gettysburg are statistically different at a significance level of 0.05. If we calculate the p-value, remember our t-statistic is 2.58 and our degrees of freedom is 30, GraphPad tells us that the two-tailed p-value is 0.015, and that is indeed less than our alpha level of 0.05. Great job! We're done with this example.